Wala. 1, 2, 3, go. Hi, ma'am, sir. Good afternoon. I'm Erlinda Margate. I'm 39 years of age. I'm married with 2 loving children, ages 9, 10, and 2. There are also 2 boys. I have 2 sisters and 1 brother. I am second in the family. My mother is a housekeeper. My father is a carpenter. I took junior computer secretary in college, but I'm undergrad. I took also vocational course in college in TESDA under housekeeping and food and beverage services. My work experience here in Philippines is when I 2011 until 2017 as a housekeeping. There are 5 members in the family. My second job in Philippines also is a housekeeping. Since 2020 until 2025 until present, I am housekeeping also and a food attendant and a assistant cook here in Pangasinan. I love to cook Filipino and basic Chinese food like steamed chicken, pork, Hainanese chicken, and steamed fish. If you choose me, ma'am, I will do my best to protect your family and your children also. Teach them how to say the good manners and teach them in school. Thank you and see you soon. Bye.